Do you want to turn on profile views on TikTok? You can enable profile views on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn on profile views on TikTok, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner of your profile page. A new pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the next screen, tap on Privacy from the list of options. Again, a new screen appears. Scroll down and tap on Viewers. Now, a new screen will appear with the Profile View History option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn on this toggle switch button to enable profile views. Now, you can see who viewed your profile in the last 30 days, only if they have also enabled this feature.